Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Jesons Industries Limited. We are one of the leading manufacturers of coating emulsions to the paint sector and water-based pressure-sensitive adhesives in tape and label segments in terms of sales value in India. Source: CRISIL Report. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and the company that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated January 9, 2025. Jesons Industries Limited's IPO consists of a fresh issue of up to such number of equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each, aggregating up to 3,000 million rupees by our company, and an offer for sale of up to 9,460,800 equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each by our promoter Dhiresh Shashikant Gosalia. The offer consists of an employee reservation of equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each. The proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Jesons Industries Limited was incorporated on October 12, 1999, with its registered and corporate office in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. As per the report titled Assessment of Paints, Coatings and Adhesives Market, dated January 6, 2025, prepared and issued by CRISIL Limited and commissioned and paid for by Jesons Industries Limited exclusively in connection with the offer, we are one of the leading coating emulsion suppliers to the Indian paint sector with a non-captive domestic market share of 27% in the segment in fiscal 2024 in terms of sales value. Source: CRISIL Report. We have a 35% market share in India in the water-based pressure-sensitive adhesives for tapes and labels. Our products are used in various end-user industries such as paints, packaging, woodworking, furniture, construction industry, tile industry, textiles, leather chemicals, carpet chemicals and paper chemicals. Amongst the Indian manufacturers, we have one of the largest range of products in coating materials and adhesives product categories. Source: CRISIL Report. Our company also has been an exporter of coating materials and adhesives since 2008 and has a global footprint of exports to more than 48 countries as of September 30, 2024. We have successfully established a strong foothold in high-growth markets across Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa for coating materials. We are the largest exporter of acrylic polymers for coating materials and adhesives from India, with a 33% share of all exports from India under HS code 390699090. Source: CRISIL Report. As of September 30, 2024, we had a portfolio of 210 products which are marketed under the brands Bondex, Readymix, Coviguard, Blue Glue, Inktape, Polytex. We also hold a patent for long-acting biocidal composition and its preparation process. We are a research-driven company with a dedicated focus on developing specialty products with services customized to the specific needs of our customers. As of September 30, 2024, we had 1,500 customers. As of September 30, 2024, we had an employee base of 784 full-time employees. Our R&D facility, which houses a team of 40 personnel as of September 30, 2024, along with our decades of experience in the coating materials and adhesive products industries, enables us to develop a robust pipeline of specialized products and solutions, which are customized based on customer requirements and specific orders. Investors should note the following important risks. Our business and the demand for our products is heavily reliant on the demand for certain end-use industries. and any decline in the demand for the end products in such industries could have an adverse impact on our business, results of operations, cash flows, and financial condition. We are significantly dependent on our suppliers for supply of raw materials. 73.85% for the 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, 61.58% for the financial year 2024, 75.51% for the financial year 2023, and 66.30% for the financial year 2022. Any failure to maintain our relationship with these suppliers or any adverse changes affecting their financial condition will have an adverse effect on our business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. Our business is dependent on our manufacturing facilities, and we are subject to certain related risks. Unplanned slowdowns, unscheduled shutdowns, or prolonged disruptions in our manufacturing operations, or underutilization of our manufacturing capacities could have an adverse effect on our business, results of operations, cash flows, and financial condition. We export our products to various countries, including Asia Pacific, Middle East, and Africa. Any adverse events affecting these countries could have an adverse effect on our business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. Our inability to accurately forecast demand for our products and manage our inventory or working capital balances may have an adverse effect on our business, results of operations, cash flows, and financial condition. The promoters of our company are Dhiresh Shashikant Gosalia and Madhavi Dhiresh Gosalia, who hold 97.17% of our pre-offer, issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of the company. Our board comprises 6 directors, including 3 executive directors, including our managing director, and 3 independent directors. 2 directors, including 1 independent director on our board, are women. Company's revenue from operations during the 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, Fiscal 2024, Fiscal 2023, and Fiscal 2022 was 7,279.08 million rupees, 14,962.29 million rupees, 17,220.99 million rupees, and 20,659.62 million rupees respectively. The EBITDA margin for 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, Fiscal 2024, Fiscal 2023, and Fiscal 2022 was 7.59%, 6.80%, 5.31%, and 6.27% respectively. The profit after tax for 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, Fiscal 2024, Fiscal 2023, and Fiscal 2022 was 311.83 million rupees, 565.91 million rupees, 490.40 million rupees, and 858.92 million rupees respectively, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 4.27%, 3.78%, 2.84%, and 4.12% respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including sections titled Summary of the Offer Document, Summary of Financial Information, Restated Consolidated Financial Information, and other financial information pages beginning on pages 18, 62, 262, and 311 respectively for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding legal proceedings involving the company. Any adverse outcome in such legal proceedings may affect our business, results of operations, and financial condition. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 347 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards repayment, prepayment, in full or in part, of certain outstanding borrowings availed by our company and/or our subsidiaries, funding of capital expenditure through investment in our wholly owned subsidiary, Jesons Innovative Polymers Private Limited, for setting up of machine lines for the new adhesives project, solvent-based adhesives and flexible packaging adhesives, and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to qualified institutional buyers, not less than 15% to non-institutional investors, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The offer includes a reservation of equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each for subscription by eligible employees. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited and IIFL Capital Services Limited formerly known as IIFL Securities Limited, are the book-running lead managers to the offer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk. An investor should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated January 9, 2025. Neither the company nor the promoters or promoter selling shareholder are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.